welcome back to my Shabby Craft Corner, and today I'm doing a design team project share for Shabby Art Boutique, and this one is using spring snippets. It's out on her Etsy store at now, and I'll post the link to her Etsy store below. So started off thinking about doing like lots of colours, spring colours, and then I decided I would do the front cover in that kind of style, and the rest of the journal in very clean vintage linens. So I'll just take this off, which is the belly band. And what I've done is I've used the back of a curtain tie back, and I just created this really pretty spring snippet roll using some of the fussy cuts from the digital collection. So I thought that would be like my spring coloured theme on the journal. And then the journal itself, that's the cover. It's very clean with vintage linens and eyelet trims. So I'll just go through, and the absolute cuteness overload of these bunnies and the little mice in it. So what she's done is she's created the digital from using most of her spring past digitals and collage them together. So you can mix and match all her digitals, especially like the spring summer type digitals, with this journal. Because I design team for her, I did not want to confuse you know, everyone with what's in the kit, what's not in the kit. I have used a few little fussy cuts from previous digitals, and I will point them out as I go, so they won't be in this actual collection. So I've created pockets, and as you can see, it's just so pretty. So this one here is from Eleanor's diary, and this is in her craft room. That's a private membership with Shabby Art Boutique that she does separately. So these aren't available on the kit. There is a few spring kits with these in anyway. So like I say, you can mix and match. These little birds were from the Rose Garden Tea Rooms. And there's lots more to the digital collection than I've actually used. There's lots of tags, belly bands. And this one here is a little pocket too. And then what I've done with this one here, I used one of my vintage hankies. I did a little envelope. Then on the scrap pieces of paper that I cut, I've just created a little mini booklet. Now, I'll just put that one there at the moment and fold that one over like that. I'll create another pocket with vintage hanky there. And that's the end of the journal. So I've left it kind of very plain, so you can, you know, write in it and journal as you should. I didn't want to go too overboard, but I did run quite a lot of the laces and linens down the side. And I hope you enjoyed watching it. And like I say, I'll leave the link to the spring snippets in the description box below. Take care.